Hi guys, welcome back to this amazing channel of ours. My name is Nakate for those who are new here, and for my returning subscribers, you all are very much welcome back. Well guys, today I'm going to show you how to come up with this simple go out look. It's a foxy eye, yeah, and today I really tried my best, so try to enjoy the video till the end, and remember to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Thank you for sticking through. Let's get right to it.
Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart.
And then let it set before we apply our foundation. After letting your primer set, you're going in with our foundation in the number 356, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the number 356 because it's the one that suits my skin tone. So if you feel like you have a skin tone like mine, you can go in with that type of skin foundation. It's a Maybelline 356, Maybelline Fit Me. So using a small brush, using a small brush, you're just going to apply foundation on our face in that manner, and then we're going to use our brush, our foundation brush, later to tap it in. So let's get into it. So we're using our brush and we're tapping in our foundation and not rubbing it off from our face. So you tap it in and we're done. So next you're going in with our concealer. So I normally like concealing, not like I do it normally, but today I decided to conceal before applying my eyeshadow and dealing with my eyes. So we're just going to conceal the under eye and the highlight under next to my mouth, yeah, and the lip line, yeah. After the concealer, we're going to draw our eyebrows, and I'm going to hold down my eyebrows with a eyebrow soap. So I got the soap from Noon, if you all know Noon. So you can get yourself a brow soap from any cosmetic shop around you. Yeah, so I did not show you, but I'll show you in my next video, or check my previous video. I must have showed you it. It's a colorless soap, eyebrow soap, yeah. Using a brush, we're just going to draw our eyebrows using an eyeshadow. Is it an eyeshadow? An eyelash primer. Yeah. So after drawing our eyebrows, we're just going in with the concealer, but the upper part of the eyebrows I'm using a foundation, and it must have been brighter than my skin. But for your case, if you have like a dark tone skin, you can use a foundation that is less brighter than your face on the upper side of your brows, but on the under part, the next to your eyeshadow line, you're supposed to use a bright concealer, and you're using a bright concealer so that when you're going to apply your eyeshadow palette, it's going to be able to be seen, right? So that's the end result, and I'm just using a clean brush to wipe off excess products on my skin. So let's get into it. Using a damp sponge, it's advisable to use a damp sponge when you're clearing off excess products on your face, because it's going to suck it off, the excess product. But don't use too much sponge that is too much damp, because it will wipe off all your products. So we're just cleaning our eyebrows right about now, and later on we're going in with our eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the black eyeshadow, and then that's at the outer end. So at the outer end, we're using a black eyeshadow. For the transition, we're using a black eyeshadow. So after the black eyeshadow comes in, the we're using a bright eyeshadow which is orange, but it didn't come out as orange because I didn't want it to come out as orange but brown. So I mixed orange with brown. So after our eyeshadow, we are going in with our eyeliner. And this is kind of has to be the trickiest part, but when you've already gotten used to it, it becomes so easy and fast to be done with. After being done with our eyeshadow, we're going in with our, what is this? Blush. Sorry guys, I'm really sorry about that. It's a blush. And the problem of waking up from sleep and deciding to edit a video. That's the problem. But anyway, guys, we're just going in with our blush. And we're using color pink. I think I was extra on this one, but anyway, it was worth it. It was worth a try, you know. I've never used pink. I've never used this bright pink. I've been using pink, but not this, like this kind of pink. But anyway, I'm talking too much. We're going in with our contour. We've just contoured our forehead, and now we're going in with our nose. So the under cheek, the forehead, not the entire forehead, but halfway to your the starting of your end eye, halfway, and then the other side also halfway next to the starting and the beginning of your eye. Don't come to the middle of your forehead. I don't know if you understand me or something of the sort. So we're just going to tap in the products, and please always tap in the products until they are no longer seen, but they are seen. I don't know if you understand me. They are no longer seen, but they are seen. You know, don't walk around with products that are all over your face. So you better tap it in until they're soaked into your skin. Okay? Yeah. So let's tap in our products, and as we wait for the products to settle on our skin. By the way, if you want to be a makeup artist or dwell so much on makeup, also make sure to take care of your skin. It is very, very important to take care of your skin, because these are products you're applying on our face, and some of them might have reactions to our face. So always normalize taking care of your skin, like skin products. If it's a must, visit okay visit a dermatologist, so that you can know how you can take care of your skin and which products to use. So guys, we're done with tapping in our products, and right now we're just going in with a clean brush to finish off the excess products, and then later on we apply our powder, a setting powder, and then the setting spray. So I had continued with my first, at the beginning of the video, I had done I had highlighted, I had concealed my face, right? But again, at the end, I did it again because I don't know how to explain this to you, because the first one, it was like I wanted it to dry off, and then this is another type of concealer. The first concealer was a normal concealer, the one that you use on your eyeshadow. And then this one is the NARS concealer deep. What is the name of this foundation? I'm going to leave the ratings there. I forgot about it, and I can't go to look for it right about now. But anyway, guys, if you wanna have a bright and a good outcome of your concealing, it's good to also use why are the words going away from my head? A blusher. You can use a blush to also conceal your under eye. A blush and two type of concealer. There are two types of concealer. I'm going to help you get the names, but right now I forgot about it. But there are two types of concealer that you can put on your face. I think it's depending on your skin tone or the creases that comes after. Anyway, so I think right now we are almost done with our makeup, but you can see the products are still seen on your face. So always ensure that you tap in all the products. Tap them in, all of them, until your face looks the same as your skin before you put on makeup. So all of it should be in uniform. Next, you're going in with our eyelashes, and I had used a glue stroke eyeliner type of glue for my eyelashes. And this product I got it from Shein. My eyelashes are also from Shein. So the thing, this is not as cool. I don't know what I'm using, but do you know those type of nail tools that you use for your nails? That is the tool that I'm using for my eyes. It works best for me when I'm putting on my eyelashes. It just works best. So if you can get this tool, it's among the nail tool kits. When you can buy a nail tool kit, you'll find it there. It will help you to put on your eyelashes very clearly and easy. Well, so using our setting spray, we're just going to set our face, our makeup. The work of a setting spray is to keep your makeup fresh all day, so that it doesn't look like it's falling off. To keep your makeup fresh and intact all day. You can choose the best spray that works for you. So we're done with our makeup. And for the lipstick, I use this lipstick I've just recently bought. It's a long-lasting type of matte lipstick. So your lipstick is your choice. You can get any choice of lipstick. Actually, makeup is just your choice, and what works for you and what doesn't work for you, you just leave it. So this works for me. And for my lipstick, I'm just going in with a combo. The pink and the black, I lip liner. So I'm using a lip liner and the lip what am I even saying? I'm using a lip liner with my lipstick together to come up with that combo. Yeah. And at the end, I put on my lip gloss. And we're done with our makeup. And look how bright and beautiful it is. So I'm just going in with my setting powder. Yeah. Who else applies their setting powder after the spray? Me. Yeah, so at this point, I think we're done with our makeup. So the rest is just for you to watch and enjoy. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment and like my video. Just leave a comment and let me know your thoughts about my look. If you think there's something I've missed out, please also let me know. Thank you for watching till the end. I love you guys. Thank you. Bye. So you just finished watching the video. Me, I'm done talking.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can take all the time that you need. I know that you worry. Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story.